Hey, it's Bey, and the GoPro Hero 7 Black is currently on sale for $350. That's $50 off, which is a great deal, and you should act on it right now. It's not going to last forever, so I'll make sure to leave a link to Amazon in the description so you don't miss out on this deal. I'm not going to go into too much depth on the unboxing and specs because I'm sure you've all seen unboxing and reviews on this camera before. However, if you would still like me to make a review on this GoPro, leave a like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss when the video goes live. I got my GoPro at my local Target, and I've also purchased a 64GB microSD card to go along with it. Make sure your microSD card can record in 4K before purchasing one for your GoPro. I think 64GB is good enough for me because I usually back up my files into a hard drive before the microSD card gets full. I use the RavPower FileHub Plus because I don't need a computer in order to transfer files from an SD card to a hard drive or solid state drive. I'll also put a link to this product in the description if you're interested. I purchased a couple of accessories ever since I got my GoPro. The first one is the GoPro Sleeve Lanyard in blue. Even though this is an action camera, it is nice to have some sort of protection because I'm definitely going to be dropping this thing a lot. The lanyard is also a nice addition because I can leave my GoPro on my neck and it'll be ready whenever I need to record. The other accessories set that I got is the head strap and quick clip. These two accessories are great for first-person shots, and having a couple different options to shoot first-person shots is really convenient. I plan to use the GoPro mostly for personal videos, but I can use it with my YouTube videos whenever I need to do something that needs a GoPro. I plan to use the GoPro mostly for personal videos, but I can use it with my YouTube videos whenever I do something that needs a GoPro. Make sure to leave a comment down below if you have any ideas on what videos I should make specifically with the GoPro Hero 7 Black. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure to also purchase the GoPro Hero 7 Black because the sale isn't going to last forever. As always, I'll have links in the description to where you can purchase it. Also, visit my social media links in the description and follow me there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!